Hey everyone, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools. Today, I'm excited to show you how you can calculate distances using latitude and longitude directly in Excel with our driving distance calculator. This tool is perfect for businesses, researchers, and anyone who needs to measure distances between multiple coordinates efficiently. Instead of manually inputting data into mapping software, our Excel tool does all the work for you, quickly and accurately. We've been building Excel tools for over 16 years, helping over 7,500 customers simplify their workflow. Our users love how much time they save and how easy it is to get precise distance measurements without extra hassle. Every week, we receive emails from clients telling us how much they love our tools and how they've helped them become more efficient. This feedback motivates us to create more tools like these, so keep them coming. We also have over 130 5-star Google reviews, which speaks volumes about how useful our tools are. Feel free to browse through these reviews and find out for yourself. Let us show you how it works. First, download the tool from the link in the description. Open the Excel file and navigate to the Settings tab to enter your Google Maps API key. Then, in the Main tab, input your latitude and longitude coordinates for each location pair. Once everything's set, just hit the Calculate button, and within seconds, you'll get the exact distances in miles or kilometers, which can be adjusted in the Settings tab. This tool works with datasets of all sizes, whether you need to process a handful of coordinates or thousands at a time. It's built entirely in Excel, so there's nothing to install. Just download and start using it instantly. And best of all, it supports locations worldwide, making it incredibly versatile. If you're ready to calculate distances using latitude and longitude, download the Excel Driving Distance Calculator from the link below. If you have any questions or need customizations, reach out to us. We're here to help. You can call, email, or use our live chat on the website to speak with a real person. No bots or automated messages. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tools. Let's make driving calculations faster, easier, and more efficient. See you next time.